It was around this time about a decade ago when the Grand River reached historic heights in Grand Rapids. That was due to a few days of heavy rain. Bill Steffen remembers those days, of course. He joins us from his man cave to talk about that historic flooding event. And Bill, how did the spring contribute to the flooding on the Grand River that year?
Well, we started out in February, in fact, January 31st, and during the month of February, we had over 3 feet of snowfall here. So that really got the ground saturated here. During the month of March, it was a rather cool period for us. From March 12 to 25, we never got warmer than 40 degrees here, so we didn't have a chance for those snow piles to melt here. And then finally, we had the heavy rain, which was really heavy and concentrated right in the Grand Rapids area. Would you believe over a period of 2 weeks, 14 days, Grand Rapids had nearly 10 inches of rain, about 3/4 of an inch of rain just during an average per day. So it was really an amazing event for us. The river rose very rapidly. And because of that heavy rain here that came right at the last minute, we didn't really know that it was going to get quite as high as it did. That's the way it looks in downtown Grand Rapids. You can see how close the water came to some of the bridges here in the downtown area, Fulton Street, the railroad bridge, the old railroad bridge, the Blue Bridge there, and then some of the video from up toward Comstock Park where there was a lot of flooding there.
Oh, yes, Bill, I remember that year. What are some of the highest river levels on the Grand River in Grand Rapids?
Well, let's take a look at some of those levels. In the year 2013, 10 years ago, we had a level here of 21.85, and that's a record crest here. 2018 flood, we had 20.67. Back in 85, 19.64. And we were close to 19.5 feet in 2020 and 2004. Now, this is not maybe the best measure of what's going on with the flood, because the gauge level here that you see, that can change because we've walled in the river. When you wall in a river like that, the river is constricted. In order to get the same volume of water through, there's 2 things that happen. Number one, the river gets higher. With the same volume of water, the river will have a higher level. And second of all, it will go faster, which makes it very dangerous for anybody out there in a kayak. Now, this is a more interesting metric here for you to see. The record floods in terms of volume of water passing by Grand Rapids occurred in 1904 and 1905. Look at that, 54,000 cubic feet per second. And then 1948 and 1947. First of all, note that those floods came back-to-back years, 1904, 1905, and then 48 and 47. That sometimes happens because the weather pattern stays the same. It doesn't really change from one year to the next. We've been in a 3-year La Nina here over the past several years. And then 2013 at 35,000 cubic feet per second. Look at the difference between 1904 and 2013. So it's possible we could have a more significant flood on the Grand River here at some point in time. So something to keep an eye on.
Bill Steffen, thanks for reminding us from the Man Cave.
More on my blog. Check it out.